Layer 5, Session Layer in Computer Networking. The session layer, also known as Layer 5 in the OSI model, is responsible for building and controlling sessions between two systems. The flow of communication is known as a session. It provides the mechanism for opening, closing, and managing a session between end-user application processes, enabling a semi-permanent dialogue. One of its key functions is to provide organized and synchronized data exchange, using recovery points to synchronize sessions after a failure without starting the transfer from the beginning. It also facilitates communication sessions, consisting of requests and responses between applications. The session layer is home to various protocols, including the OSI Protocol Suite Session Layer Protocol, X.25, and ISO 8327. These protocols may attempt to recover lost connections and manage idle connections by closing and reopening them. That's a brief overview of the session layer and its vital role in computer networking.